This Stoves electric cooker is excellent if you want a high-quality model with flexible cooking space and fantastic features. It has both an A energy rating for the 65-litre main multifunctional oven and the medium-sized 37-litre variable electric grill, so you'll have lots of cooking space while still being kind to the environment. The electric fan oven provides a fast, effective and energy-efficient way to cook your food. The fan moves warm air around the cavity so that heat is spread evenly across all shelves with no transference of flavours. This oven also features a handy grill setting, which will give those lasagnas the perfect crispy topping. So, you'll be able to prepare starters, main courses and desserts together, while your food will always have the perfect finish. This model has a special coating on the inside to make cleaning effortless. The oven cavity is covered in grease-proof enamel, which stops food from sticking so it can simply be wiped away with a cloth. This means your oven is really easy to maintain and you'll save time on cleaning. If you're looking for flexible cooking space and fantastic features, this excellent cooker from Stoves is the perfect choice for you.